Okay, so this is the review with the Rainfly up. It absolutely 100% poured 2 nights ago. To the point where I had to go in my friend's house. They had a bunch of guests over, so some of us just camped outside. It's a weird place. Held up great. It leaked exactly where I knew it was going to leak, which was fine. I'm still not a fan of how it bows out. I'm not sure if I did something wrong, but I can't get the top clip to clip on this side. It just will rip out the tent, I'm afraid. So it could be user error. It could be manufacturer error. Either way, it doesn't affect it. Works fine. And again, it leaked exactly where I knew it was going to leak, which is where all the reviews says it's going to leak. So let's go inside. See if I can't zoom out. I use a twin bed because it's just me. I like the one with the headboard so my pillow doesn't fall on the floor. But it works great. Oh, so this one was leaking 2 nights ago. This is completely dry. I just sprayed it with some waterproof spray on the outside. Took care of that. This one was also leaking. Okay, that one still has a little bit of leak. That one feels wet. It doesn't feel like there's a drop on it. And then this one I forgot to spray because the night before, it was only the ends that were leaking. And this one's got, you can see the water on it. And it poured all night long. And it's about 10 o'clock in the morning and it started about 10 o'clock at night. So if that is the leak, I'm fine with it. Oh, there's another leak actually over here. A little bit of water. So it's going to be coming from the tag of where the seam is on the tag for the electrical port. Which again, I did not spray these two with any waterproof spray. So absolutely great. Perfect size tent, especially for one. If you just want a twin size bed, it's great. Plenty of room for your gear, your stuff. Shake it out. And again, the single door zipper is also something that is troublesome. It's not the end of the world. It's an inconvenience is all. But that is my review. Absolutely recommend getting the tent. It's super easy to put up by yourself, super easy to break down by yourself. Of course, always easier with friends. But I'm gonna get out of here because it's gonna rain again.
Okay, this is final inspection. Of course, we had to take all our gear out the night that it was going to rain. Got quite a bit, 2 days of rain. Alrighty, here we go. Yeah, don't think this one's quite suitable for a 4 season. Just saying. She did leak a little bit. What do you guys think? Yeah, I don't think she quite made it to the 4th season that they recommended, huh? Yeah. Nah, a little too much water for me. So we'll be packing this one up. Of course, the first thing that happened was the tie-down strap outside broke before we ever got in the tent here. It only had 3 threads in it holding it on. Of course, further inspection, we found out it was made in Cambodia, so I'm not surprised. Everything's wet. Just we're gonna have to try to dry it out a little bit and then send it back. For a season, all season, however you want to word it. You decide.
Just came from the OG, man. My soul red, man. That MET-HOD, man. I'm talking about pimpin', been since been pimpin'. I'm talking about doing there, another motherfucker say that there, another.
Where's she?
You hoes way past half baked.
Where's she? Look.
If I got paid here,
Who's that?
would've made more cheese.
Hey.
These niggas be acting
Hello.
we must be serious.
Happy 4th of July, Marshy.
Real niggas. The only thing that we have outside is water.